Well, good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with question number 2 of the exercise 9.5. In this question number 2, use the identity. This identity is to be used to find the following products. Now see what all the questions are given to you. You have to compare those questions with the given identity and then find out the values. For example, x plus a, x plus b. Here x plus 3, x plus 7. Alright. So x is going to be your x, but a is your 3, b is your 7. So here use the values and do the solution. However, here you can see 4x plus 5, 4x plus 1. Now when you are comparing it, at the place of x what is given? 4x. Therefore when you are writing here x square, you will not be doing only x square, you will be doing the square of 4x. A is your 5, b is your 1. Right. Coming to the fourth part, here you can see the sign of minus. However, in the identity there is no sign of minus. So what you have to do, simply use the sign with the value which is given to you. For example, if you are comparing it, then you can find here the value of x is 4x, because x plus a, x plus b, so x is common here, 4x is common, so x is going to be a 4x. A is your 5 and b is your minus 1. So wherever the b is written, you will be using minus 1 while solving this question. Though I have done some parts for you, let's go to that. Here is the first part, x plus 3, x plus 7. Now when I am comparing with this, x is x, a is 3 and 7 is your b. Right. So x square, then a plus b x. So a plus b x plus a into b. You can see the identity here. So x square, 7 plus 3, 10 into x, 10x, and 7 into 3, 21. Now coming to the fourth part, 4x plus 5, 4x minus 1. Now when I am comparing with this, the value of x is 4x, the value of a is 5 and the value of b is minus 1. So when I am writing x square, at the place of x square what you will be writing? The value of x, that is your 4x. So 4x square plus within bracket a plus bx. Right. So 5 plus, this is the plus of identity, then a plus b. B is your minus 1. So within bracket I have written minus 1. Close the bracket. Then there used to be x. Right. So x is what? Your 4x. So here will come 4x. This is your 4x. Right. Plus ab. So 5 into within bracket minus 1, because b is your minus 1. Now solve this. 4x square is your 16x square. 5 plus into minus will be your minus 1. 4x, 4x, 5 positive multiplied by minus 1 will be your minus 5. 16x square, 5 minus 1 is your 4. 4 into 4 will be your 16. X minus 5 minus 5. Coming to one more part. xyz minus 4, xyz minus 2. Now x plus a, x plus b. This is your identity. Make the comparison. At the place of x what is written? xyz. So when you are expanding it, you will write xyz at the place of x. At the place of a you will write minus 4. At the place of b you will write minus 2. So x square is your xyz whole square plus a plus b into x. So use this square bracket because the negative signs are given to you. Minus 4, which is your a, plus as per your identity b is your minus 2. So within bracket minus 2, close this square bracket. Then x is your xyz plus ab. So minus 4 into minus 2. Now xyz, that will remain as it is. Minus 4 plus into minus will be your minus 2. xyz minus into minus is your plus. 4 into 2 is your 8. Now xyz again, minus 4 minus 2 will give you minus 6. Minus 6 into xyz is your xyz minus 6 xyz plus 8 plus 8. Now open this bracket. So x square y square z square minus 6xyz plus 8. This is your answer. In this way, do all the remaining parts of the question number 2. That's all for today. Have a good day.